pangalawang winning number. Timer ready?
Ready.
Ulitin ko naman po ang draw and combination po natin ngayong hapon. 3PM draw 6 and 38 innings out there. Muli ko pipirma po ang ating panel of judges bilang magpapatunay na naisagawa natin ng maayos ang ating hapon draw sa Camarines Sur.
The official draw result for August 28, 2025, 3 PM draw number 5362. The official winning combination is 638, 638.